If you are cold, tea will warm you. If you are heated, tea will cool you. If you are depressed, tea will cheer you. If you are excited, tea will calm you. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Edutalk India. I'm Gautam Kumar. Today I'm going to tell you about different type of teas which are mainly used in the restaurant or hotel. Actually, tea have too many varieties, too many types, so we have differentiated and chosen a very rich variety of tea which are used in the hotel. So first we'll talk about yellow tea. Yellow tea is from China. It's different in taste, fruity and distinct aftertaste. Talking about the aroma, it's a smooth texture and a pleasing aroma. It takes only 2 to 5 minutes for the preparation, and it for the sweetness of the tea. It well goes with honey and stevia. I'm talking about stevia. Stevia is a sweeter sugar substitute derived from the plant species. So when you're talking about the benefits of yellow tea, the benefits of yellow tea is it promotes a weight loss. Next, yellow tea is very good for liver, prevent diabetes. Next, it's anti-aging properties, increase appetite, and it's good during the pregnancy. Next, we'll talk about white tea. White tea is also from China. Talking about the flavor, it's a juicy raspberry flavor, peppermint and vanilla flavor. About the making processes, it takes 1 to 3 minutes and well goes with honey. Next, we'll talk about the benefits of a white tea. Is it works in blood pressure improvement. Next, improve blood circulation, and it's well work in heart diseases. Next, we'll talk about black tea. Black tea is also from China. Talking about the flavor, strong flavor compared to other tea. It takes about 3 to 5 minutes for the preparation. Talking about the benefits, black tea have antioxidant properties. It boosts heart health. It controls the cholesterol. It improves gut health. Reduce blood pressure, and it reduces risk of cancer. Next, we'll talk about oolong tea. Oolong tea is also from China. Talking about a flavor, it's a sweet and fruity with honey aroma or woody, and thick with roasted aroma, or green and fresh with complex aroma. Depends on the horticulture and style of production. Mainly, as per the talking about the oolong tea, it's always changed the taste of aromas as per their weather. Next, it takes only 1 to 5 minutes for the preparation. Talking about some benefits of oolong tea, improve the heart health. It well work in weight loss. It improves the brain function and promotes the tooth and teeth strength. Teeth bone strength. Next, it works in cancer. Next, we'll talk about green tea, which every person will use mainly. And green tea is also very famous. It's also from China and gives it's have different varieties of flavor and different aromas. And due to many varieties, they are a semi-volatile compound extracted from green tea leaves. It takes 2 to 5 minutes for the preparation, and it works in many diseases. And when we talk about the benefits, it improves brain function, reduce bad breath, it work in weight loss, prevent muscular diseases, and talking about one more thing, it increase fat burning. So these five varieties which I have talked, I think you like it. So like the video, comment it, and comment some more topics so that I will make a video. And please share this video in everywhere and subscribe our channel. Thank you.